So today I'll be showing you guys how to fix a wig that has a hole in it. So here we go. This is the wig that I worked on, that I installed on my first video. If you haven't seen that, check that out. So there's a hole right here. It's a small hole, but you know. So I'm going to be using this clear string, clear thread that I got off of Amazon. I'll put that on the link down below. And I'm going to use this needle. This needle that usually comes with the mannequin head, which I got off of Amazon as well.
Maybe silly for me to feel this way about you and her, 'cause I know she's been such a good friend. I know she has helped you through. Talking late on the phone, every night you've been calling, grabbing moments alone. Could your heart soon be falling?
Just try not to put it too far, like when you put the needle through, try not to put it in holes too far apart, so this way when you stretch it, it's not gonna look all lumpy, if I'm making any sense. So just put it in lace as close as possible to the opposite side.
And I know she's a friend, but I can't shake the feeling that I could be losing your heart. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend, although she's just a girl that is your friend. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend. She shares a special part of you. You said that she's one who helped you see how deep you're in love with me. And intentions were not to get in between, but I see possibilities. Hey, say that you feel I'm the best thing in your life. And I know it's real. I see it in your eyes. Reason for me to even feel this way. I know you just enjoy her company. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend, although she's just a girl that is your friend. I'm jealous of your girl.
I'm just gonna go over it one more time to make sure that it's secure.
She shares a special part of you. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend, although she's just a girl that is your friend. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend. She shares a special part of you. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend, although you say she's just a girl that is your friend. I think I'm jealous of your girlfriend. She shares a special part of you.
Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why. Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why.
There was a hole there. You can hardly tell. Making sure, and you can't even see the thread. You really can't see the thread.
Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why. Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why. Jealous, but you can't tell me why. Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why. jealous, but you can't tell me why. Say you're jealous, but you can't tell me why.
Right now,